Looking to perfect those bakes? Control your portion sizes? Or just make the perfect smoothie? Take your culinary precision to the next level with the Dr. Trust Electronic Kitchen Scale 517. Compact, precise, and effortlessly stylish, this slim and sturdy little scale packs a big punch in the kitchen. Just insert the battery, and you're ready to weigh. Place the scales on a hard, flat surface and press the on button. When the scale shows 0, simply pop on whatever you want to weigh, and your measurements will appear instantly on the clear LCD screen. Measuring something in a bowl or container? Put the container on the scale and press the Tare button to clear the weight. Then, simply add your ingredients and weigh. You can use this feature to weigh additional ingredients too, one after the other, without needing multiple containers or having to remove your previous ingredients. The scale boasts a high-precision strain gauge sensor for accurate and precise readings and will take measurements from 5 grams to 5 kilograms. The unit button allows you to quickly and easily change the unit of measurement too. Simply press to cycle through grams, pounds and ounces for solid items, and milliliters for liquids. The scale also features an overload indicator, low battery indicator, and an automatic shut-off feature to save power. It's super easy to clean with a quick wipe over, and compact for easy storage. So, streamline your baking with precision and style. Get your Dr. Trust Electronic Kitchen Scale 517 today.